Fez, one of Morocco's greatest historical sites, has become so rich in culture, customs, cuisine, and much more that it is often alluded to as the region's cultural capital. It does have a rich heritage to discover, with one of the first higher education institutions and the world's greatest Middle Ages medina. Fatima al-Fihri constructed al-Quaraouiyine in 859 BC, and it is thought to be among the oldest known academic institutions. It has become a mosque and non-Muslims are not permitted to gain entry. Nevertheless, the repository, which was refurbished in 2016, is accessible to the public, so you can see the remarkable artisan-crafted brick pavers from the 9th century. The skyscrapers of surrounding restaurants in the Medina also provide an excellent view of the mosque courtyard. Darbata, a long-time mansion that was converted into a museum in 1915 and is generally situated in the Medina, has an incredible amalgamation of ancient artifacts. It also has a brilliant Andalusian-style yard with various species of plants, smells and feels, as well as intricate designs and a water reservoir at its doorway. Within it, you'll discover perfect art pieces, traditional Moroccan tiles, bedwork, floor coverings, as well as 14th century ceramic materials repository. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Tannery is Fez, another very famous landmark and the oldest known leather tanning still operating as it did in the Middle Ages. In a huge plant encircled by residential areas, men make clothing. The odor of the synthetic dyes can be quite strong, so bring a piece of cloth to protect your nose. It is an excellent location for purchasing leather gifts. The former doctrinal institution for Muslim intellectuals is located immediately adjacent to the old Medina. It was constructed in the 1400s by Sultan Bou Inania and has now been completely renovated, with astounding works of art, sculptured plaster, cedar mashrabias and exceptionally gigantic gates. The interior is breathtaking, with a statue in the pool area and infinite carved wooden wall surfaces and mosaic exterior siding. Also has classrooms on 2-story in which lessons were once held. Marinid tombs house the skeletal remains of Marinid sultans and other royals. Although not completely preserved, and most of the decorative elements and inscriptions have started to fade over time, the structure retains its validity. The perspective from over 1,200-year-old Medina is well good enough to warrant the hike up the mountain, particularly at dusk.